My hair. I got a little scammed. Should I even say this on camera? Where'd my money go? I'm just pumped. Oh my god, I have such a brain fart. Hello friends, family and people. I'm back. This is so weird to be filming after so long. So much has happened and I'm really excited for this video because we're going to be talking about my favorite thing in the whole wide world. My hair. I've got this new setup going on and I really love it. I've been meaning to do this video for a really long time. I'm just pumped. I'm pumped to tell you guys all about hair extensions. So we'll jump right into it. Yeah, let's get started. Where do I start? I'm gonna start off briefly telling you guys about my hair extension journey. When did I get it? In December. I mean, I wanted extensions for a while because I was just like really sick of my short bob. I couldn't do any styles with it. I gotta say the maintenance is high, but I actually love it a lot. I love the feeling of having long hair and feeling elegant. I can curl it, I can put it up, and it's just been amazing. For those people who don't know what extensions are, they are just tape-ins. The one that I have are tape-ins. I didn't know which one to choose because there's clip-ins, there's also tape-ins, weaves, and then the beads, and I was like, oh my god, this is just so confusing. I managed to stick with tape-ins. So tape-ins, how it works is there's a piece of fake hair like this, there's another piece of fake hair like this, and on the top rim, which is where that black band is, that has glue. So basically your hair is in the middle and there's a piece of extension and a piece of extension, and then they glue it like this so it lays down, and that happens throughout your whole head. Another question that I get asked a lot is, where did you get your hair done and how much did it cost? Trust me, it cost an arm and a leg to get this done. People call me crazy, but I don't splurge on makeup. I don't splurge on branded sneaker clothes. I don't splurge on jewelry. I just splurge on my hair, okay? My hair is my little baby. There's this passion behind hair. Like, I love doing my hair more than my makeup. Yeah, it costs me. Should I even say this on camera? I've got to say, disclaimer, that I got a little scammed. The original place that I went to get my hair done was $600, and the reason why they charged me $600 was because my hair was in a bob. If my hair was longer, I could have worked with 2 packets, but because my hair was so layered and thick in the top, there was such a contrast between the long length and the short length, so I had to add another packet of Remy hair extensions. So 3 packets is $600. Wasn't proud of it. I mean, it looked amazing, but I was like, oh my god, where'd my money go? Second part to the story is my roots were coming out. I had to go back there to get it retightened. For those who don't know, retightening means your root has grown out so much that you need, if it falls, if the hair extensions are down here after your hair's grown out, then you need to put it up again. They spray your hairs with these special sprays and ointments and serums to make the glue unravel. Then they wash the hair extensions, they retape them, they straighten it for you, and then they attach it to your hair. Went back to the same first place and they said, look, it's gonna cost $300. Why is this hair thing so expensive? So I went to a different salon and I asked, excuse me, how much is it to retighten my extension? She said, it's only $150, darling. I'm like, I was getting ripped off, man. Anyways, I ended up retightening my extensions for $150, and there was also a package to turn your hair, do your roots, do some highlights, treatment, cut and blow dry for another $150. So I ended up paying $300 for that. So altogether, the first session's $600 for the actual extensions, plus the 300 after that is 900. So altogether I spent 900 on my fucking hair. I still love it. It's okay. I still love my baby. Oh my god, I keep yapping and yapping that I almost forgot to tell you where I got my hair done. In Bankstown Centro, they're called Hair in the Square. They're based on the bottom level, like the ground floor. They do a great job. The hair extensions that I use is the Seamless brand, Seamless. Seamless Remy Virgin Hair 25-inch extensions. Yes, it's a lot to take in, but just know that the ones I have also are two colored. Most hair extensions are just one, but mine's got like kind of like an ombre thing, so you see how it's dark here and then at the bottom it's lighter as well. I was fortunate enough to have a color that was just perfectly matched for me, but just letting you guys know, if it does not match and you guys get a color match at the salon, it will cost bit more money. Back to my story. So if you guys are not willing to splurge, then I recommend you guys save up a lot of money, because it isn't a one-time thing. But I gotta say, after 3 months I still feel like it was really worth it. Now let's talk about maintenance. The most frustrating thing is drying your hair, because my hair is 3 times thicker than the amount that I used to have. There is a long process. How I do it is, when I wash my hair, I wash it in 3 sections. It might seem a little uncomfortable when you first wash your hair because there's all these tabs and plastic inside. The best technique was just putting your hands like a claw, like this, and just digging it in and trying to get through in the creases. So in every layer there's like a little crease, so get your fingers in there and really get that scalp going. If you don't wash your hair properly, there's gunk and sweat and like all this dandruff that's going to build in between the hair extensions, and then you might have a scalp infection. After I wash my hair with shampoo, then I condition my whole head. The thing with conditioner is you really can't get a lot of the product on your scalp. It will loosen your tape-in extensions and your extensions will just fall out. Just keep in mind to keep only your conditioner down at the bottom ends. On another topic of styling hair, you guys might wonder how I do my hair. I usually do a half do. I like to leave a bit of bangs and then just clip it like that. You can get this sort of clip right here, clip it like that. That hides a lot of extension. It actually hides the fact that you have short hair above as well. Another is tucking your shorter layers behind your ears. This is a really nice look as well. When you first get the hair extensions, the band itself is really stiff, so tying your hair up like this is really hard, you know. After a while, the hair extensions start to be more flexible. You can bend it and it flips like this. Tying your hair up will be a lot easier. I usually just do a low ponytail like this, but in some cases I do like to go really high as well, and that's no problem. The first month it's going to be really hard for those who want to tie the hair up, because your hair is so firm and plasticky that it just wants to stay down. It doesn't want to go up like this, but eventually just know that you will be able to tie your hair. Do you guys have anything else you want to ask me? Just leave it in the comments. I know if I saw a hair extension video with all this information, I'll be like, oh, that's so helpful, because I totally was diving into the deep and I had no clue what I was doing. Okay, I think that is the end of this video. I hope you guys and everyone enjoyed my video of making these hair extensions. I hope everyone enjoyed this video of me talking about my hair extensions. Oh my god, I have such a brain fart. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, just letting everyone know. I know sometimes it's not very interesting, but thank you for staying this long throughout the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!